I'm being sued for $161,000, and I don't owe that much money. There's this TikTok lawyer. Her name is Jeanette Braun, and she's suing my business. She reached out to me in 2020 and said that she could help me. She solicited me, which is against their code of ethics, and she basically said, "Hey, looks like some big businesses copied your products. I can help. I can help you. You have rights." I had no intention of suing anybody when I had first talked to her. But yeah, I told her I can't afford anything other than like a contingency agreement, which is where if she wins, then she gets like a large portion of the damages that she wins. But if she loses, she gets nothing, and I don't have to pay her anything in advance. So I said, okay, you can take my case on. This is back in 2020. No one knew who she was. Now she's done so many nefarious things on this app. She's gone against other creators. And yeah, basically after working for my company for 7 months, she up and quit. She withdrew. And then she like sent me these like highly inflated bills. She like back billed $161,000. And she like made up this hourly rate of $400 an hour. It was like, yeah, this is what you owe me. And in her like invoices, she was like doing the weirdest freaking shit that like no lawyer would normally bill their client, like perusing social media, for instance. So I don't owe her that money. I for sure don't. It's a fraudulent litigation case. She's abusing her power. I've been in a lawsuit with her for about 2.5 years. Didn't say anything online about it. Just suffered in silence. I can't do it anymore. I have 2 counts of fraud against her, breach of fiduciary duty and breach of contract. And I want to see this through because we could potentially get her law license revoked if we can actually go through and do this lawsuit. I have reported her to the bar already, and another YouTuber posted a very long, detailed video of the 100-page document that I had submitted to the disciplinary committee. It's called the ARDC in Illinois. They don't do shit at this stage. Basically, they need something from a judge. They are not going to be the ones to make the verdict themselves. So it doesn't work that way. I read that. I got that comment all over my previous video. If you want to know more details, you can just click on the playlist below. I have like a four-part series detailing everything. So go ahead and take a look at that. I have screenshots. I have so much evidence. The reason why I'm making this video today is because we're trying to raise money on a GoFundMe, and I really need your guys' help. We're a small business. This is affecting my livelihood. My family is now making the decision between like, how are we going to pay our bills? Are we going to pay rent or my legal fees? Well, this is terrible. Like my husband's a PhD student, so I'm like, this company is all I have basically, and she's trying to take this away from me. We're basically set up to declare bankruptcy at this point. With the way that the lawsuit is going, I will probably no longer have a company unless if you guys can help me out. And if this comes on the For You page, maybe you don't know who I am. My customers really like my products. This is something I'm really passionate about. I feel like I have really good products, better than stuff that's out there on the market, and so it would be a shame if I couldn't continue my passion of creating products for people. And every day now I'm going to post about this because this woman is such a fraud. And I'm so ashamed that I trusted her in the first place. I didn't anticipate crying. I just got my period today, so maybe that's why I'm super emotional. So I apologize for crying. I apologize. My makeup is really good. And my customers really like my makeup. It's skincare infused. My hero products are hero products for a reason. We were in FabFitFun. We got into Ipsy. We're doing really well on TikTok Shop right now. I go live every single night and I show my people my products and how they work, and they can see for themselves that it's really good stuff. So it would be really shameful if I had to shut this company down because this woman is frauding me in court. So I promise you guys, if you watch my my video on YouTube, you'll see all the evidence. I don't know her shit. Like, I don't know her a single penny over and above what I've already paid her. This woman is vile. She needs to be stopped. There are 4 other creators that she's hurting proactively right now in court too. So It's not just me this woman is screwing over, although I feel like this is this is a big thing. This is a really big thing. She's basically, if she wins this case, like the ramifications for like other lawyers that take clients on contingency, like they can get away with this shit. That's terrible if this sets a precedent for accident attorneys, malpractice attorneys, like medical malpractice, all that stuff. So I just can't believe that our legal system is set up this way, that allows her to bully a small business for almost 3 years now. Almost 3 years now. I'm out of pocket $50,000 so far. It's probably going to be closer to 60,000 by the end of this month. I can't keep doing this anymore. I need help. So please, if you guys could donate to my GoFundMe, $5 is enough. If everyone donated $5, we would be at our goal, and I could literally see this lawsuit through, and then she could suffer consequences of her unethical behavior. Thank you so much.